Hi dear students, we are going to learn by using the graph how to solve the simultaneous equations here. If you remember from the previous chapter, we were solving the simultaneous equations here by using the elimination method. And if you eliminate this one, I'm going to solve this question by using both methods. I'm going to draw the graphs and I'm going to eliminate them, and you're going to see that it's going to give us the same solution. Here the general logic is the intersection point of the graphs. It's going to give us the solution of the simultaneous equations. Let me show firstly method 1, let's say the first method. Here x plus y, if it's equal to 5 and x plus 2y is equal to 8, it means that I can eliminate one of them, like minus 1. I can multiply this one by minus 1, and it will be equal to, here if I write minus x minus y is equal to minus 5. The second one, it will be x plus 2y is equal to 8. So when you add side by side, this is going to minus x and plus x, they are going to eliminate each other. Minus x plus 2y, it's going to be equal to y. Minus 5, 8, it's going to be 3. So y is equal to 3. What is the value of x? If x plus y, if it's equal to 5, then if y is equal to 3, x plus 3 is equal to 5, it's going to be, then x is equal to 2, it should be. So the graph of the, intersection point, or the solution, it's going to be equal to 2 and 3. So I'm going to try to find here this value on the graph also. Let's see how to draw the graph from the previous lesson. Let's remember, we were finding x is equal to 0 and we were finding y-intercept when x is equal to 0. So for x plus y is equal to 5, x is equal to 0 means y is equal to 5, and y is equal to 0 means x is equal to 5, because we are replacing by 0, and 0 plus 5, it's equal to 5, it's going to be. Okay, so if x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5. If y is equal to 0, x is equal to 5. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Here, let me place the, here, this is y is equal to 5, the first one, and this is x is equal to 5 point. And I'm drawing the line now by using the tool here that we used before here, and it's going to be like from this point I'm going to draw, because it is 1 to 1. So here, this is the graph of the first line. This is x plus y. This is x plus y is equal to 5. So for x plus 2y, if it's equal to 8, if x is equal to 0, then 0 plus 2y is equal to 8. It means that 2y is equal to 8 and y is equal to 4. This is the second one. Y is equal to 4. This point, it's going to be y is 4. The second line, it's going to pass through the y is equal to 4 point. And here, if y is equal to 0, it means that x plus 2 times 0, it's equal to 8. It's going to be x is equal to 8 is the second line, and here it's going to pass through this point, and I'm going to draw the line with respect to that one. Now let me see the intersection point of these two. I'm going to draw the line here, 8 units. So on this side I'm going to 8 unit and 4 unit up. So it's going to start from, I think, from this point. Yes, I'm going to start from this point. Let me change also the color, and I'm going to use the same tool, and I'm going to change the color also. Let me do with this color here, this color. And if I start from this point here, it's going to be passed through, sorry, this point, then this point. As you see, the intersection point as you see, the intersection point is this point, which is equal to here on this one it's equal to 2, on this one it's equal to 3, on the x-axis it is 2, on the y-axis it is 3. So the point is 2 and 3. Also we found here, as you see, we found the same value here, and we found the same value by using the simultaneous equations. Of course, it seems that it is easy to use the simultaneous equations to solve the for finding the solution. It's easy to use methods of simultaneous equations, but if you need to solve with graph also, you can use this method. Okay, now let's draw these 3 lines. I'm telling there are 3 lines here because, as you see, x plus 2y is equal to 6, x minus 2y is equal to 2, and x minus 2y is equal to 2. Here, x plus 2y here, it's equal to x plus y is equal to 2. This is the third one. Here, this one and this one is same, and x minus 2y, this one and this one is same, this one and this one is same, as you see. So with respect to that one, there are 3 lines here. I'm going to draw x plus 2y. For x plus 2y is equal to 6. If x is equal to 0, it means that 0 plus 2y is equal to 6. 2y is equal to 6. Y is equal to 3. It's going to be. I'm going to skip some steps. Sorry for that one, but for clear operations, I should do like that. If y is equal to 0, for the same question I'm talking, if y is equal to 0, it means that, let me first draw the y is equal to 3 here, not to forget. Yes, this is the first one. If y is equal to 0, it means that x plus 2 times 0 is equal to 6. 6, so x is equal to 6 directly, it's going to be. So this is the second point here, x is equal to 6. This is 6 and this is 3. So with respect to this 2 line, I'm going to draw the graph of the line by using the tool here. I'm going to choose same color with this one here. I think this point is the initial point. It's going to be, yes, this is the initial point for us, and this is the first line for us. Now this is the first line, x plus 2y is equal to 6. The second line, x minus 2y is equal to 2. I'm going to change the color. For x minus 2y is equal to 2, we are going to use, if x is equal to 0 again, if x is equal to 0, then 0 minus 2y is equal to, I said 0, but here it's going to be equal to 2, sorry, 0 minus 2y is equal to 2, minus 2y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 divided by minus 2, which is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1 is the first point. This is the minus 1 is the first point. And if the second part, if y is equal to 0, if we do the same thing for y is equal to 0, x minus 2 times 0 is equal to 2, x is equal to, this is going to be equal to 0, x is equal to directly 2. So it's going to pass through this point, and I'm going to draw the lines now between them, and here it's going to be, here this is the second line now, again by using the same tool. Here the second line is going to pass through from these points. Okay, so this is the graph of the second line it's going to be, and it is here x minus, the name of the line, x minus 2y is equal to 2, and this point was equal to 2, by the way. Let me remind you about that one. This is the second line, and I'm going to find the third line, and here this one and this one I made, x plus 2y, x plus y is equal to 2. So the last one for, let me change the color here, for x plus y is equal to 2. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 2, and if y is equal to 0, x is equal to 2, it's going to be because directly when you replace by 0, here y is equal to 2. There's no need to do an operation. Here the third one, it's going to pass through this point here. I'm going to write here x plus y is equal to 2. Here this point and this point, it's going to pass through, and I'm drawing the lines now. I'm going to draw the line with respect to that one now. Here. Okay. This is the third one, and passing through these points. Here, I'm going to start from this point. I'm sorry. Here it's going to pass through these points, and here, as you see, these are the intersection points. It's going to be, I made a mistake for the last one. I'm redrawing it again here. It's going to start from these points, and yes, and I draw correctly. Now there is good intersection points, clear intersection point actually. Here this is the second one, and this is the last line. The name was x plus y is equal to 2. So I draw 3 lines, and I'm going to find the intersection points of the simultaneous equations. The blue line, which means x plus 2y, and x plus the green one, x minus 2y, x plus 2y is equal to 6, x plus 2y is equal to 6, yes, this one, and this one, x plus the green one, x minus 2y, yes, x minus 2y is equal to 2, the blue line and the green line, these two, sorry, yes, the intersection point, as you see here, this one is going to be, and it is the point 4 and 1. So the intersection point 4 and 1. Again, I'm repeating, x plus 2y, which is the green line here. I'm sorry, x plus 2y is equal to 6 is the blue line, and x minus 2y is equal to 2. That's the green line. The intersection point blue and green, as you see, it's going to be this point, and at this point here the value is 4 and 1. It's going to be okay. The second one now, I'm going to use different color to show the differences here. This is going to be 4 and this is going to be 1. So the first intersection point is 4 and 1. It's going to be okay. The second one, x plus 2y, x plus y is equal to 2, which is the brown color, and x minus 2y is equal to 2, x minus 2y is green color. Brown and green, they are intersecting at this point, so the coordinate is here it's going to be 2 and 0. So the second one is 2 and 0. It's going to be 2 and 0. It's going to be, here is the intersection point also, you see, green one and brown one. And the last one, x plus 2y, x plus y is equal to 2, and x plus 2y is equal to 6, which means we are going to get the intersection of brown one and blue one, which is here also, as you see. It's going to be minus 2, because this is the point, minus 2 and 4, so the answer is minus 2 and 4. It's going to be, we can check this one during the lesson, and we will see that these are the intersection points. It's going to be also, by using the simultaneous elimination method, we are going to find the same thing.